Welcome to my channel, guys. Today's tutorial will be about Openshot Video Editor and how you can edit videos and add animated titles in Openshot Video Editor. So the steps are basically very simple. First off, you have to download two things, that is Blender and Inkscape. For that, just go to your default browser and type download Blender for PC, and you'll get this option. The first one, you have to click on that and you have to download this software for that. Okay, uh, it is a small software. You have to download the Windows installer, which is basically 160 MB. I'm not going to download it because I have already downloaded it before. So first thing is this. Then you have to download Inkscape for Windows 10 or whatever Windows you are running. So basically the first option that will come, you'll have to click on that. When you click on that, you should download actually it is my preference that I download the exe format installer, but you can also download Windows installer pack or the compressed version of this software. So first, to clear all things, you have to download these two things, Inkscape and Blender. When you open Blender, it should look something like this. This is the basic thing which will come when you open Blender. And the second, when you click on Inkscape, you will see something like this. Still waiting for it to open up. Yeah, so when you open Inkscape, it should look like this. Okay, you don't have to open it though, but I'm just telling you, if you open it, it should look like this. I'll make other tutorials in which I'll be telling how these two things are very helpful in creating animations. So you close that. Okay, now you'll have to open your Openshot Video Editor, and in that you'll click on edit. Whenever you click on animated title, there will be a message which will pop up whenever you open animated titles. It will be basically telling you to choose the specific location and you install Blender or whatever, Inkscape or whatever. You don't have to do that. You just have to go to edit, you have to go to preferences, and then you'll see in the first tab, general tab, there will be a section here, Blender command, the path. So you will have to copy the exact address of the executable of the Blender. So for that, it is very easy. Just go there. The shortcuts which will be created on your desktop after you install both these softwares, you will have to click on this open file location, and in that you will see the executable file. See this one, Blender application. You can copy this, you can copy the location of this Blender, and you can paste the location in the you can paste the location in the path section. See program files, or what you can do, if you are confident enough that you know the exact location of this software, you can go to browse and then you can choose the exact executable file of Blender. And same goes for advanced title editor path. And in advanced title editor path, it is basically asking you to pinpoint the exact executable file of Inkscape. So for that, you will go to browse Inkscape. For that, the easiest way to find that is just right click on that and open file location. You will get the exact location of where your Inkscape is being installed. Okay, so you go to that and then you just open preferences and then see program files, Inkscape, and the executable files. The exact address has to be selected or pasted in this. After this, after you have done this, it is very simple. You just go to title, animated title, and you can do any title, any animation you can choose from here, and you can actually when you edit your videos, you can choose them and you can paste those titles into your video. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and if you have any queries, comment on my video. Thank you. Peace out.